Hi, this is Jeremy Qualley with Qualley Associates, and today I got a very special guest with me. I got Lars with Nordic Home Inspection, and today Lars is going to give us a little rundown here as far as condensation and what to look out for and how to prevent these types of issues. All that and more when we return. So Lars, first of all, tell me a little bit about yourself and how long you've been doing home inspections for.
I started doing home inspections in 2009, and since then we've done more than 5,000 inspections. We have become very passionate about trying to educate the community about owning a home, maintaining a home, as we see on a daily basis that there's a big lack of knowledge when it comes to maintaining a home and the consequences that comes with that.
Great. Now, one of the biggest issues I'm sure you see right now during this time of the year when the temps are below 0 degrees is condensation.
Yep.
Can you tell me a little bit as far as what you see on a daily basis with you going through home inspections?
Right now, pretty much any house we go through, we see a lot of condensation and frost build up on windows and also some exterior surfaces. The problem there is that the humidity in homes, it's just too high because it's so cold out. So the colder it is outside, the drier you need to keep it inside to prevent the condensation from occurring.
Okay. And now some things that people can take into consideration to help prevent some of these issues. What are some of these?
Yeah, some of the things to do is to make sure you're using your kitchen and bathroom exhaust fans when you're showering and when you're cooking. Also, there's some devices out there that will help you control the humidity, like an air exchange system, or you could also install a radon reduction system or an environmental mitigation system, so some states are calling it nowadays, that would help you control the humidity to prevent from the condensation issues.
So now, Lars, what are some of the consequences of condensation as far as if you don't take care of these types of issues?
One of the most common things we see is mold buildup on windows and deterioration, wood rot on windows. Also, we start seeing mold is forming, and mold is also forming on the colder surfaces on the exterior wall. So it's definitely important for homeowners to try to maintain the humidity to prevent this from happening.
Okay. No, that's great information. Now, as far as blinds go, what do you normally see with those?
Yeah, what a lot of people do too, they don't want to have any sunlight in, or they don't want the cold drafts from the windows to get into the house, so they shut the blinds and the curtains, and now you're trapping all this moisture on your windows, and you don't allow any air circulation. So it's important to open up the blinds and the curtains when you go to work in the morning, but you can obviously have them shut in the night.
Yeah, absolutely. No, and I appreciate all the information. I know it's going to be very valuable to the general public as far as this, just because this is a very timely issue that we're dealing with, especially in the FM area. And Lars, for anyone that has, that might have some more questions regarding condensation, where can they reach you at?
A lot of people are contacting us through our Facebook page, asking questions, seeking advice. So that would be maybe one way. Otherwise, we have a website, NordicCompaniesInc.com, or shoot me an email to Lars@NordicCompaniesInc.com. Also, we obviously have a phone, so 701-566-1446.
Okay, great. And again, that was Lars with Nordic Home Inspections. And this is Jeremy Qualley with Qualley Associates. And if you have any questions regarding, again, home inspections or just real estate in general, please feel free to give me a call at 701-306-1823. Thanks, and have a great day.